President Trump made a huge announcement. He was at Selfridge Air National Guard Base in Michigan, a place with a rich history and a significant role in the nation's defense infrastructure. He said the base would get the new F-15EX fighter jet, a state-of-the-art aircraft designed to enhance the capabilities of the U.S. Air Force. This is big news for the base and for Michigan, as it promises to bring new opportunities and advancements to the region. The F-15EX is a very advanced aircraft equipped with cutting-edge technology and superior performance capabilities. It will replace the A-10 Thunderbolt II, a venerable aircraft that has served the military well for decades. The A-10s are getting old, and their maintenance has become increasingly challenging and costly. The F-15EX will bring a lot of new capabilities to Selfridge, including enhanced speed, agility, and advanced weaponry. This decision is important for many reasons. It reflects a strategic move to modernize the fleet and ensure that the U.S. military remains at the forefront of air combat technology. It shows the commitment to national defense, highlighting the importance of staying prepared and equipped to face any threats. It also shows the importance of the National Guard, which plays a crucial role in both domestic and international missions. The F-15X will make sure the Guard is ready for anything, providing them with the tools they need to succeed in various operations. The announcement was met with excitement, as it signifies a new chapter for Selfridge and its personnel. The F-15X is a big deal, not just for the base but for the entire Air Force, as it represents the future of air combat. It is a sign of the changing face of air warfare, where technology and innovation are key to maintaining superiority. It is a sign of America's commitment to staying ahead of its enemies, ensuring that the nation remains a dominant force in the skies. This is a big win for Selfridge, as it will bring new resources, training, and opportunities to the base. It is a big win for Michigan, promising economic benefits and a boost to the local community. And it is a big win for America, reinforcing the nation's strength and readiness in an ever-changing global landscape. The announcement came on April 29, 2025. It was a day that would be remembered for its significant impact on the future of Selfridge Air National Guard Base and the state of Michigan. The news spread like wildfire, capturing the attention of both local and national media. It was a big day for Selfridge Air National Guard Base. The base, known for its strategic importance and long history, was about to receive a major upgrade that would enhance its capabilities and secure its role in national defense for years to come. President Trump himself made the announcement. Standing at a podium with aircraft in the background, he spoke with conviction and pride about the new developments. His presence underscored the significance of the event and the administration's commitment to strengthening the military. He was joined by important people. The stage was filled with dignitaries and officials who had played crucial roles in making this day possible. Their presence highlighted the collaborative effort behind the announcement. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth was there. His speech emphasized the strategic importance of Selfridge and the role it would play in the future of national defense. Hegseth's words resonated with the audience, reinforcing the gravity of the announcement. Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer was there too. She spoke about the positive impact this development would have on the local economy and the job market. Her presence signified the state's support and enthusiasm for the project. Michigan lawmakers were also present. Their attendance demonstrated bipartisan support for the initiative, showing that this was a matter of state and national importance that transcended political lines. House Speaker Matt Hall and Senator Arik Nesbitt were there. They spoke about the legislative efforts that had paved the way for this announcement, highlighting the hard work and dedication of many individuals. Michigan National Guard leaders were also present. Their presence was a testament to the military's commitment to the state and the importance of Selfridge in the broader defense strategy. This shows how important the event was. The large crowd and enthusiastic applause underscored the community's support and excitement for the announcement. It was clear that this was a momentous occasion for everyone involved. It was a big show of support for Selfridge. The atmosphere was electric, with people cheering and showing their appreciation for the new developments. The energy in the air was palpable, reflecting the community's pride and optimism. Everyone was excited about the announcement. The crowd's reactions were a mix of joy, relief, and anticipation for what the future holds. It was a day of celebration and hope for better opportunities and growth. The arrival of the F-15EX is a major boost for the base. These advanced fighter jets will enhance the operational capabilities of Selfridge, making it a key player in national defense. The new aircraft symbolize progress and a commitment to maintaining a strong military presence. It is also a major boost for Michigan. The state's economy stands to benefit significantly from this development with increased investment and job creation. The announcement marks a new chapter in Michigan's economic and military landscape. The new jets will bring jobs and investment to the state. This development is expected to create numerous job opportunities, from manufacturing to maintenance, and attract business investments. It's a win-win situation for both the military and the local community, promising a brighter future for all. The transition to the F-15EX will take a few years. This is a significant shift for the Air Force as it involves not just the introduction of a new aircraft, but also the phasing out of older models that have served for decades. The F-15EX is expected to bring advanced capabilities and improved performance, making it a crucial addition to the fleet. The new jets are expected to start arriving in 2028. This timeline allows for thorough testing and integration into the existing infrastructure. The production process is meticulous, ensuring that each jet meets the highest standards of quality and performance. This will mark the beginning of a new era for Selfridge. The base will undergo significant upgrades to accommodate the new aircraft, including enhancements to its runways, hangars, and support facilities. These improvements will ensure that Selfridge remains at the forefront of military aviation. The base will be one of the most advanced in the country. With state-of-the-art technology and infrastructure, it will be well equipped to support the F-15X and other modern aircraft. This transformation is part of a broader effort to modernize the Air Force's capabilities and maintain its strategic advantage. The A-10S will be retired by 2029. These aircraft have been a mainstay of the Air Force for many years, known for their durability and effectiveness in close air support missions. However, the time has come to transition to newer, more advanced platforms. They have served the Air Force well. The A-10S have a storied history and have been involved in numerous conflicts, providing critical support to ground forces. Their retirement marks the end of an era, but also the beginning of a new chapter with the introduction of the F-15EX. But it is time for a more modern aircraft. The F-15X offers advanced avionics, improved survivability, and greater payload capacity. These features make it a formidable addition to the Air Force's arsenal, capable of meeting the challenges of modern warfare. The KC-135 Stratotankers will also be retired. These tankers have been the backbone of the Air Force's aerial refueling operations for decades, enabling extended missions and greater operational reach. They will start to be phased out in 2027. The decommissioning process will be carefully managed to ensure a smooth transition to the new refueling aircraft. They will be replaced by the KC-46A Pegasus. This new tanker brings enhanced capabilities including improved fuel efficiency, advanced communication systems, and greater refueling capacity. The KC-46A is a much more modern tanker. It represents a significant upgrade over the KC-135, with features that will better support the Air Force's mission requirements. It will provide better support to the F-15EX. The synergy between these two advanced aircraft will enhance the Air Force's operational capabilities, allowing for more effective and efficient missions. The transition will be a major undertaking. It involves not only the introduction of new aircraft, but also extensive training for personnel, upgrades to facilities, and adjustments to operational procedures. But it is necessary to keep the Air Force strong. This modernization effort is essential to maintaining the Air Force's edge in an increasingly complex and challenging global security environment. The F-15X is a major upgrade over the A-10. It is faster and has a longer range. It can also carry more weapons. This will give the Air Force more flexibility. The F-15X can also fly in more contested airspace. The A-10 was designed for a different time. It was designed to fight in a European war. That kind of war is no longer the main threat. The F-15EX is designed for the modern battlefield. It can take on enemy aircraft, ships, and ground targets. It is a true multi-role fighter. The A-10 was primarily a ground attack aircraft. The F-15X can do it all. Section 5. Beyond the battlefield. The economic impact on Michigan. The arrival of the F-15X will be a boon for Michigan's economy. The new jets will bring jobs to the state. They will also bring investment. The base will need to be upgraded to accommodate the new jets. This will create construction jobs. The F-15EX will also require a lot of maintenance. This will create jobs for mechanics and technicians. The economic impact will be felt throughout the state. Local businesses will benefit from the increased activity. The state's tax base will also benefit. The arrival of the F-15X is a win-win for Michigan. It is a win for the economy and a win for national security. Section 6. A new era for Selfridge more than just fighters. The arrival of the F-15EX is just one part of a larger plan for Selfridge. The base will also be getting new tankers. The KC-46, a Pegasus, will replace the aging KC-135S. This will give Selfridge a complete air power package. The base will be able to support a wide range of missions. The base is also getting new facilities. This will improve the quality of life for the airmen and women stationed there. The investment in Selfridge shows its importance. The base is a key part of the national defense strategy. Section 7. The bigger picture: F-15X and the future of the Air Force. The F-15X is part of a larger modernization effort by the Air Force. The Air Force is facing new challenges. It needs to be able to operate in more contested airspace. It also needs to be able to strike targets from further away. The F-15X will help the Air Force meet these challenges. It is a very capable aircraft. It can survive in tough environments. It can also deliver a lot of firepower. The F-15X is a key part of the future of the Air Force. It will help the Air Force maintain its edge over its adversaries. Section 8. Trump's defense legacy, a focus on air power. The decision to base the F-15EX at Selfridge is part of President Trump's focus on air power. President Trump has made it clear that he believes in a strong military. He has increased defense spending. He has also pushed for the development of new weapon systems. The F-15EX is a prime example of this focus on air power. It is a very advanced aircraft. It will give the United States a significant advantage over its rivals. The F-15EX is a key part of President Trump's legacy. Section 9. Conclusion: Selfridge and the F-15X, ready for tomorrow's fight. The arrival of the F-15EX is a major development for Selfridge Air National Guard Base. It is also a major development for the state of Michigan. The new jets will bring jobs and investment. They will also ensure that Selfridge remains a vital part of the national defense infrastructure. The F-15AX is a very capable aircraft. It will give the Air National Guard a significant boost in capability. The decision to base the F-15EX at Selfridge is a wise one. It is a win-win for everyone involved.